Winner of the coveted 2021 Best VR Game title on Steam, Cooking Simulator VR invites you to become a master chef by taking control of a realistic, highly polished, and richly equipped kitchen. Unlock and master over 80 recipes, or use dozens of ingredients to cook anything you like. Your cooking station has all the gear a chef might need: griddles, cookers, gas stands, ovens, pots and pans, plates, knives, spatulas, and blenders. Then there are over 140 ingredients available in the pantry: meat and fish, fruit and veggies, dairy products, and sauces, as well as a full set of herbs and spices for adding that extra flavor. With no senior chef to help, and being constantly in a spin, you might feel as if you're in Hell's Kitchen, hearing sarcasm from Gordon Ramsay. Career mode is a culinary journey 0 to hero style, and your task is to gain fame for you and your restaurant. You'll start from the basics, progressively unlocking more complex dishes and serving more customers as your fame and experience grow. Once you've mastered the recipes and workflow, you'll be able to unlock various perks and skills. However, if you're not interested in playing by the rules, you're going to love the sandbox mode. Access all the recipes and ingredients, and prepare whatever you like without any pressure. You don't even have to cook anything. Throw knives like darts, set up cutting boards like dominoes, set the whole kitchen on fire, blow up the oven, and save the day using a fire extinguisher. Don your VIVE and a virtual apron, and get cooking!